Now start with the how can we use mouse handling with the buttons. Okay. We have to use the JavaScript in this section. So just start with the coding. Just use the doc type HTML and then use the HTML and then use head. And within this, just type title and title will be www.svsdti.com and close this title. And here we just start with the coding, just type the h1 tag and use the center tag as well. And right here, mouse click event handling with JavaScript. Right, and close it, center and close the h1 as well. And close your head tag and start with that. Just start the body tags like this, and within this, we just close this body tag. Right. And within this, we are going to insert the image. Just type here center tag and use the img src and use your I think img1 dot gif. Right, this is my first image and just type the height and width as well. Height will be
Okay, sir.
200 and 200 pixel and width as well 200 pixel. Just type here 200 px and close it and close the tag here as well and then center tag as well. So just save it and just check the output. Just move on here and bottom and just type here that is HTML tag, right? And after saving this, let's check the output. So move on the output screen and press your F5. Just see there. Here you get here we have the image. This is the image as we insert. That is the image. What image? Image one, right? When we place our
Yes, sir.
cursor here, it will change. Okay, when we just use the another event, firstly we have to place some events in this image tag. So here we have to use, this is the first one, that is on click event. This is on click, right? And just type here first. This is my function name, that is the first, and this on double click dbl click. On this time we have to use your second function, and similarly just write here on mouse over we use here, that is the third function, and last one on mouse out, it will show the fourth function, right? So here we have the four different events with attached with the different actions buttons, right? So just see there, you can easily observe here, there are four events available there. First, one click. When we place our cursor on the image and click here, this function will work. When we double click, this function will work. When we click on this, just move over the mouse on the image, it will show like this third action, and fourth action is when we just move out from the image, then it will work with the fourth action, right? So we have to write the coding for this changes. Firstly, we have to write the name for this, assign the name. Just type here ID is equal to img1, or just type here I1. This is my image name. This type here, you can write it image1. You can directly
Yes,
use this.
sir.
And after that, we just move on this head tag and write the code within this head tag of the HTML. Just choose here script tag and close this script here. And we have to create here four functions. So just type here function first and start with the bracket and just type here document dot get element by ID, and ID was what? I think image one. So just type here image one, img image one, and close this and just type src. Src means it's the source of the image. Just type here, and within the double quote, just type here image img2, right? This is my second image and use the semicolon. So here we have the first function. Similarly, just go with that. If you want to change the background of the image, you can also go with that document dot bg color and equal to, just write here Background will be red. And if you want to just go with the text, just type your document dot FG color. C should be capital, so just type your white. The background will be red and the text will be white. Okay, just use the double quote. Similarly, we have to do the same thing with another function. Just type here. That is the name is, next name is function second. Just type your second. But we have to change the address of this. So just type your 3. Similarly, go with the next here. You can change the color of this. Just type your green and just move on the next function. Again, just paste this function and write the third function name. That is the third. Okay. And after that, just change the image 3 here. Image 4. I think it will be image 4 and change the color here. Just type here blue. And similarly, just move on the last function. That is the fourth event. So just move on here and just type here 4. 4. This is the last function and just change the image. Action will be 5. So here we have the 5 images, 1, 2, 3, 4. First image for it is automatically appear in the text on your web page because we directly call the image in image tag. And when you click on different function, you will get all the images according to our action buttons, right? Just save this and let's check the output. Just change the color here, just type here purple and just save this and move on the coding screen and move on the extension screen and just press F5 and let's check here. Just see that this image is not available. Just click on this. Just see there. Right. Action will work, but image is not appearing. So just move on the coding and let's check the exact address for that image. Just see there. Here we just name the particular image, but we haven't mentioned the extension, right? So just type here GIF. GIF is the image extension. So just type here GIF. Similarly, just press here, just type here GIF. And again, just press here .gif. So here we have the extension of images and you have already mentioned the first image extension. Then move on the coding screen and let's check the output. Just press F5. Just see there. Here we have the image. When you place our cursor over there, you will get another one. Just move out, you will get another one. I think image 3 is missing. So just move on over there, you will get another one. And just click, single click, you will get another one. And just double click, you will get the fourth action, right? So here we have multiple functions. So see there. Yes, sir. In this section, just move out, you will get the, I think this is missing on mouse over event. So just check the mouse over event here. This is the mouse over. This is the third function, right? Mouse over. So here we just check the image 4. I think image 4 is missing. So just call the image 1 over there, right? You just call the same image as you mentioned this, right? So when we move our cursor over there, it will give the same image. And just move on, coding screen to output screen. Just see there. And refresh it by pressing F5. Just see there. Here we have the image. When we move over there, you will get the same. Just move out. Click here, you will get this image and double click here. You will get one and just move out and move over. Move over is working, but move out is not working. So we have to take some action on the coding. So just move on this and let's check the coding. Image 1. Image 3 and just type here image 4. Okay, sir. Image, just type here 1.gif. 1.gif and just save this. And let's check the output. Second is right. Third is also right. Fourth is also. And here we have write the same function, right function, double click. Mouse over, on, mouse out. Everything is fine here. Just save it and let's check the output. Just press F5. Over there, you will get one. Move out is not working. Move out. So we have to check the coding, move out, on mouse over, mouse out. Here's the fourth function. And here we have the, I think fifth image is missing. So we just call the same function image one, right?
Yes, sir.
And let's check the output. Just press F5, move over there, move out, it will work, right? It is working here now. Just double click here, single click, it will change this, double click, it will also change, okay? And double click is also not working here because I think image is missing. So just check the double click coding. Double click, that is the double click is here. That is the second function. And within second function, I have called one. So just change this, that is img3. img3 and just save this. And let's check the output.
Okay, sir.
Just press F5 and move over there. You will get this image. This is the on mouse over image, right? Action. Just move out. This is mouse out. And when you move over cursor and single click, you will get this image, and double click, you will get another one, right? So here we have the all the function is.
Yes, sir.
So just try to, if you want to just make the border of this image, you can also do these things by adding the border property on this. So just move on here, image properties, and just type your border. And use the value here, just type here within double quote, it is 3px. 3px means 3 pixel, and just save it. And let's check the output. So see there. Here you get the border of the image as well. So see there, right? Understood?
Okay, sir.
This is the different actions you can do by using this, right?